Hey all my crafty friends, who's ready to start some Christmas crafting? I know I am. I will be trying my best to put out at least 4 videos per week until Christmas, and I think you will love what I have in mind. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any of my Christmas videos, and if you want to be notified when I upload a new video, just hit the bell notification. Merry Christmas! Today I will be making this tiara tray using Dollar Tree stove covers, a plunger stick, and large wood beads from Amazon. I think the tray turned out amazing. I used part of a plunger I had already cut down to size and stained for an earlier project. I took the larger stove cover and turned it upside down. I had to find the center of the circle, and this was the hardest part. I began measuring over and finally found it. I placed the plunger in the center and marked around it. I applied E6000 and hot glue to the plunger stick and held it in place for a while until the hot glue stuck. I did the same thing with the smaller cover, except I marked it on the top. I then applied more E6000 and hot glue and attached it to the bottom part. While the hot glue set up a little longer, I stained 6 large beads using Waverly wax. And I have got to start wearing gloves when I do this. Look at my hands. After wiping down all the beads and letting them sit for a little bit, I turned the tray over and started applying the feet or the wood beads to the tray with hot glue. I didn't measure, I just eyeballed where I thought the beads should go. I love the way the tray turned out. The top is a little flimsy, so I won't be putting anything breakable on it, but it's still a beautiful tray for the holidays. If you haven't already, like this video and subscribe to my channel. I'll be uploading more Christmas videos in the weeks to come. If you want to be notified when I upload a new video, hit the bell notification. Merry Christmas! And as always, thanks for watching.